effect, which is a parallax effect. It looks like this. Or this one. So let's start making this. First, we will be inserting a blank slide, and then we will be inserting objects subject for animations later. First, insert a rectangular shape enough to cover the whole slide, and then insert shapes like this one, and then another two, and then once we align these three shapes, we select these three, and then we make it diagonal, and then it's important to color each shape so we can determine or easily see what we are intersecting later. And then we will be doing the intersecting effect. First, copy the original rectangle because we will be using this in a while, and then select the rectangle and the first diagonal shape, then go to intersect, and then paste the original rectangle, then select as well the second diagonal shape, then go to intersect, then paste again the rectangle shape, then select the third diagonal shape, then intersect, then paste again the original rectangle, then move this to the back of the shapes, and then we will be inserting the picture. So point your cursor outside the slide, then right-click Format Background, then select the picture, and then select all objects by pointing your cursor or pointer outside the slide, then dragging it down. So once you have selected all objects, go to Slide Background Fill. So here we can see the picture and the object shapes became transparent. And then once you do this, we will be making animation for the objects. So first, select the first diagonal shape, then go to animation, or we can do this in shortcut by selecting all the diagonal shapes, then go to animation, then motion paths, and we will be doing motion paths going upward. We are supposed to be doing the second diagonal shape going downward. So once we have done the animations for each shape, go to the second or select the second shape and then go to motion paths and select downward. So delete the second event because it's not supposed to be here. We should be making the second diagonal shape downward. And then set each events. The first event should start on click. Then the first and second events should start after previous. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. All events should start simultaneously, so we will be choosing start with previous. So let's check it again. Okay, so we wanted the objects to move back to its original position, so we will be doing each effect with auto reverse. So first select effect options and then check auto reverse, and also these two. So let's see. Nice. But still there's something wrong. We should not be seeing the lines of the shape, so we will be removing this by selecting format object and then under the line option select no line. So the outline of the shapes will be removed. So then play it again. Much better. The second effect that you can do is like this one also. You can just modify the shapes and the movements, but the process is the same. So first, insert a blank slide and then insert again a rectangular shape, enough to cover the slide. And then add additional objects, subject for animation, like this one, circular objects. Then we move it here. And then add another two. Oops, not this one. Copy the circle and then add additional two, like this one. They're supposed to be on top of each other. The first circle should be at the bottom, then the second and the third should be right on the top. Maybe let's move it further to the right. Okay. And then before doing the intersect effect, first copy the rectangular shape because we will be using this in a while, and then select both the first circle and the rectangular shape. Then go to intersect and then paste again the original rectangle. We can see the second circle, so bring this to the back and then select the second circle. Then select intersect. Then paste again the rectangular shape. Then bring this to the back and then select the third circle and then intersect. And then the final one is to paste again the rectangular shape, then move this to the back. So once we do this, we will be inserting the background picture. So point your mouse pointer outside the slide, then right-click Format Background and insert the picture. This one. And then select all object by pointing your mouse pointer outside the slide, then dragging it down, and then choose Slide Background Fill. So the intersect objects will become transparent. See? So we will not be removing the outlines of the shape yet, because we will be doing the animation first, so we can identify each shape. So the shapes should be on top of each other. The third should be on top of the second, then the second should be on top of the first circle. So we will be moving this to the front, and then the last circle to the front. So the animation, we will be moving this to the right and then going back to their original position. So first select all the circles, then choose animation, going to the right, go to motion paths, and then choose to the right. And then select again these three, and then choose animations, go to motion paths and choose to the left. Select to the left. I will not be using the auto reverse effect because I wanted the circles to first move to the right and then all of them to the left. So we will be setting each event to be start after previous, and then the first event to start on click. And then as to the timing, we will make it faster, choose fast, and also this one fast. So let's see. Okay, and then select again all the objects and remove the outline. So right click Format Objects and then no line. So let's take a look again. Much better. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tricks like this one, and please select the like to like this video also. Thanks again. Bye bye.